Hello, welcome to the Fucosoft channel. If your iPhone is displaying a black screen that says support.apple.com web link and connect to iTunes, the device is going into the iPhone restore screen, aka the iPhone recovery mode. This can occur when you can't update or restore your iPhone, when you restore your iPhone from an old backup, or when a new device needs an initial setup. If you have already tried force restarting but it doesn't help, not to worry. You can try Fucosoft iOS System Recovery. Let's get started. Option 1. One click to exit recovery mode. Fucosoft iOS System Recovery provides a great solution to get rid of support.apple.cpm web link, and it's also known as free recovery mode in just one click. Follow below steps to solve the problem. Step 1. Run Fucosoft iOS System Recovery on computer and then connect your iPhone to computer. Your device will be detected if it is already in recovery mode. Step 2. Click Exit Recovery Mode and the software will start getting your iPhone out of that. Within 1 minute, your device will reboot normally. Option 2. Reinstall iOS to fix the error. If you still see the restore screen after that, you need to reinstall iOS. The Repair Operating System feature of Fucosoft iOS System Recovery will give a full restore and reinstall iOS, thus to fix support.apple.com web link without data loss. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to PC. Select the option Repair Operating System once the device is detected. Step 2. Click on Fix Now and then download the necessary firmware package online to reinstall iOS. Step 3. When the downloading process is done, click Start Repair to reinstall iOS. Well done. The problem your iPhone says support.apple.com web link is solved without any data loss. Congratulations. To download Fucosoft iOS System Recovery, check the link in the description. For more videos like this, subscribe to Fucosoft channel.